Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn web programming using an easy method. First, immerse yourself in the core trio: HTML for structure, CSS for styling, and JavaScript for interactivity. These three languages form the bedrock of nearly every website you encounter. Dedicate a few weeks to each, ensuring you grasp the fundamental principles. Don't rush. A solid foundation makes everything else much simpler. Once you're comfortable with the basics, dive deeper into front-end development. HTML provides the skeleton, defining elements like headings, paragraphs, and images. CSS is your artistic tool, allowing you to control visual aspects such as colors, fonts, and responsive layouts for different screen sizes. JavaScript brings your pages to life, enabling features like animations, form validation, and user interactions. Aim for about 2 to 3 months of dedicated practice here. After mastering the front end, it's time to explore the back end. Consider starting with Python using Flask or Django or Node.js with Express, as they are quite approachable. The back end handles server logic, database interactions, and user authentication. You'll learn how to store and retrieve data and how your website communicates with the server. Building a basic API is a great first step, taking perhaps 1 to 2 months. The most effective way to solidify your skills is through project-based learning. Start with small, manageable projects, then gradually tackle more complex ones. This hands-on experience is invaluable. Consider contributing to open-source projects or collaborating with peers to expand your network and learn from others. Web development is an ever-evolving field, so commit to continuous learning and staying updated with new tools and techniques. This ongoing process is key to long-term success.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.